Welcome friends. Today we will talk about email validation. So we will talk about how to validate email in JavaScript. So I am writing code for email validation in Regex form. Okay. So just HTML and let me give email validation. Okay. So we will use input field and type of that input field will be email. So I have code for that and I am copy pasting it. Okay, here it is. So I have used input field type email and I have give ID as email and placeholder as enter your email. And I also applied a on key up event. So every time we just press any key, it will show whether it is a correct email format or not. And this key tag is just work as a alert box. So if the email format is wrong, then a alert will arise in this p tag. So let me show you this email tag by running it. So here we get input field and I'm just trying it. So still we have not applied any JavaScript, so it is not working. So let me copy paste the JavaScript code from here. Later I will definitely explain it. Okay, here it is. Here this is the script and I have defined what will happen on calling mail function. So first just check it whether it is working or not. So let me press anything. So you are seeing a warning must be in example at the rate abc.com format. So still we have not valid email. So we are getting this kind of error. So let I just put abc.com. So so hooray, we can see the alert is removed. So this is the perfect example. So this is the correct email. So let me do some changes like no, it shows error. So we can see after .com, no digit are allowed. So it happens in original email validation. We don't get any .com for type domain. So I have applied that also, and it's working up to two after dot abc dot com. So we have seen dot in. So that was also a correct email format. So we can write up to two digit of minimum two digit. Like if I write only C, it will show error. But if I write two characters, it will not show error, and it will not show error at 3 character. It will not show error on 4 character, but at 5 character it will show error. So we cannot use numeric digit after dot. So that's it. Boom. So this is it. And let me check for something else. Uh, Kaushal dot Goyal. We have seen this is the correct email format. Let Let me check for double dot. So in original email format validation, double dot is not allowed. So let's see will it work or not. No, it will not work. It shows our format is wrong. So it's working on single dot. So this is the perfect validation for an email. So you can see the behind code of this code, this email validation in my description link. So now let me explain the mail function to you. So I just get the value of email input field by this document.getElement by ID email. So here we get the value of input field, and here I'm getting the reference of email alert, which is in E10, and now I'm validating it. This is my regex, and our regex is compared with this. This regex is compared with our string. This string, okay. And dot test is the function for comparing the string in JavaScript. This is or string dot length is equal to 0. If the length of the input field is 0, then it will not show error initially. After we typing, it will show error. So here, this is the alert. If any of the pattern mismatch, then the alert will arise like must be in example at the rate abc.com. And if the format is correct, then it will go into else format, and here alert books will not appear. So now we are at this thing. So slash w. So slash w, what's the mean of w? So friends, w means w, it's equals to capital A to Z, capital A to Z, capital A to capital Z, then A to small z, 0 to 9, plus your underscore. So wherever you see W, so then compile it as uh, whole capital letters and small letters, digits, including underscore. So W means that thing. Okay. So here we can see this thing. Uh, After at the rate, I have defined this thing, and after dot com, like dot com. So after dot, like com have three characters, so I have defined 2 to 4. It means the character limits it 2 to 4. So com has three characters, so it will show no error. And in com we see we do not pass digits. So for that we have not passed here digits. If I write 0 to 9, then it will allow digits. But here I have not passed digit, so it will show error if we put any numeric digit after .com. And before .com, we have defined it, so we can write anything at the rate Gmail, at the rate Outlook, at the rate anything. So this is working, and this is regex for double dot. If we put double dot, then it will throw an error. So friends, this is a proper email validation. So you can try it, and if you like the video, so please share it and do like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.